I spent 120,000 yuan to buy this Land Rover Discovery from a friend, a vehicle that originally cost nearly $1 million. When new, at first, I thought I got an amazing deal on a luxury SUV, but it quickly turned into a huge headache. Behind the clean exterior were countless hidden problems, and one issue after another kept appearing. But since I already bought it, I refused to give up, so I decided on a full deep restoration, even though my whole family tried to stop me, saying old car restorations are just money pits. Still, I pushed forward with the project and recorded the entire process. Now you decide, was this another expensive mistake, or will this discovery make a perfect comeback and return to full glory? Now we begin the electrophoresis process, which is essential for classic car restoration. It fully coats every gap cavity and hidden corner inside and outside the body, creating a powerful anti-rust protection layer that blocks moisture, rain, and road salt from causing corrosion at the source. First, the body goes through deep degreasing to remove all oil and dirt. Then the surface is carefully conditioned and treated with phosphating to form a fine protective anti-rust coating across the entire body. Wash and drain multiple times to keep the car body clean and dry. Finally, the body is placed into the electrophoresis tank, where electric current allows the coating to fully cover every gap and hidden cavity of the vehicle after the process. The body shell takes on a smooth matte black finish with a clean, flawless surface and a premium factory-like texture. Finally, the body enters the paint baking chamber, where high-temperature curing fully hardens the coating, providing a strong foundation for the upcoming paint process and long-term durability. forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.